Welcome by Moco. My name is Stephanie Palomino. Today we have Hannes here from Stanwood. Hannes, where you find your inspiration?
Well, usually I find my inspiration in one of the 3 million or more so apps that are out there. I see stuff that's interesting and then I immediately think of an application for one of our clients or even our own apps.
So can you give me a good example?
Yeah, absolutely. Just yesterday I found a very interesting approach in the Facebook app. They have this feature where you can see where your friends are near you, but in order to use that feature you need to give the app permission to track your location. And this is one of the best ways I've seen so far to ask a user for location-based permission.
You as a mobile entrepreneur, what is your biggest motivation?
Well, actually, I just love building apps. Even if I would have like 1 billion euros and would never have to work again, I would get up at 6 in the morning and start designing and start coding myself.
And what is your biggest inspiration for creating new businesses?
Well, it's very opportunistic. I find problems and then I try to solve that problem with a solution from some other party or a product from someone else. And if I don't find anything suitable, that's a product I build next.
Thank you so much for your time and all these valuable insights. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you soon.